In our previous videos, we saw different method of solving this issue of returning multiple values in a function using commas, which does not work. You see that you can use an object, you can return an object. You see that you can return an array and other method as well. Now let's see a real case scenario. This is a real world API response handler. So it takes the response, the API response, and then check if it is successful via the status, get the data, and then the error message. And then as you can see here, we are returning an object with the success, the data, and the array method. We can also return like raw, like the raw response. This is for debugging purposes, for example, if you want to. And now let's see how we can use this. First, let's say we assume we have an API response here, right? And this one, we're gonna say status, and then we're gonna have the data, for example. Let's say it is an object, and this is, we've got these names, right? So let's see now how we can use our function. So we're gonna use object destructuring. So in here, we can say if it is successful, what we're gonna do, we're going to log got, and if it is not successful, we're going to log the error. Now let's test this and see what's going to happen. As you can see, we got 2 users. Now let's see if we say, for example, the status is 301, something like this, right? What's going to happen now? So we're going to got an error. The error is undefined for now because we haven't said anything about the error. So in here we can pass, for example, message. We're gonna say fail to fetch data. And now if there is an error, it can be anything, but you can see now we get failed to fetch data. Practical example of how you can return multiple values in function.